alone. They're the race leaders. Mark Farmer with the medical team. Good to see him out of the car and moving under his own steam, because that looks like a huge shunt. The cameras didn't quite catch the start of it, but you see the flame there from the impact with the wall. That is massive. Well, Andy is down with the team. Let's hear from co-driver John Barnes.
So we just want to check in on your teammate. Is Mark all right?
I believe so. We saw on the footage Mark was getting out of the car, so I suspect he's gone to the medical centre for the normal checks and stuff, but fingers crossed, hopefully he's okay.
Are you aware any clearer than we are on what actually happened?
We saw on your replay, I think, that there was a Ginetta in the frame as well, so I'm guessing Mark's got caught up with a back marker. Obviously it's massively disappointing, and we've got lots of friends, family and sponsors here this weekend, so it's a real shame, but we'll take a lot of positives from the performance that we put in. We're going really well, so we'll try and move on and look forward to the next one.
Adrian Quaife-Hobbs in the McLaren jumps away at the restart from Joe Osborne. Dan Lloyd in third place. GT4 cars mingle with the GT3s. You can't pass till you cross the start-finish line, and that has slowed that group. There is Dave Ryan. Von Ryan Racing leading the race. Adrian Quaife-Hobbs in his first ever British GT outing. There's our GT4 leader, the 407 Beechdean Aston Martin. And here is the battle on for third place. Dan Lloyd versus Alexander Sims, two ex-single-seater races. Sims on the inside in the BMW, and the Acuria Cos car snatches that podium position, but it doesn't look over, does it? Dan Lloyd doesn't want to give that away. There is Adrian Quaife-Hobbs, another man who raced right up to GP2 level, knocking on the doors of Formula One, friends and family watching in the Von Ryan garage. And they're on tenterhooks as well at Triple Eight, racing through the final few minutes here at Silverstone. There's the 007 Aston, Johnny Adam with the Butcher Aston with damage to the front right behind. How did that happen? Trying to get through in traffic behind the number 10 Von Ryan racing car, ran into the back as he was dive bombed by 007. Great wheel-to-wheel racing in the top half dozen and throughout the field. What a great story for Adrian Quaife-Hobbs and Gilles Van Lay. A hurriedly put together team at Von Ryan Racing. They are going to win the longest race in British GT. The Silverstone 500 will go to the number 12 McLaren. It's a close run thing at the line. Triple Eight right behind.